In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stickers for your Discord server. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few simple tips to make your stickers look great and feel organized for everyone on your server. Start by opening Discord on your desktop app or in a browser. Make sure you're looking at the correct server you want to customize. Up in the top left, click the server name. That click opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your server. From that menu, select Server Settings. This takes you to the control panel for your server. Inside Server Settings, look at the sidebar on the left and find the section labeled Stickers. Click Stickers to open your server's sticker page. This is where all your existing stickers will appear and where you'll add new ones. Now, click Upload Sticker. A file picker window will pop up. Choose the image or animated file you want to turn into a sticker. Pick something clear and visually distinct so it reads well at small sizes. Transparent backgrounds often look cleaner, especially around the edges, but any suitable image will work. After you select your file, Discord will ask you to enter a name for the sticker. Go with a short, clear name that helps people find it quickly. Think of what your community would naturally type or search for. You'll also see a field for a description. This part is optional, but it's a good place to add a brief note about what the sticker shows or how it's meant to be used. Descriptions can also help with organization and accessibility. Once you've added the name, and the description if you want, take a quick second to review. When everything looks good, click Upload. That's it. Your sticker is now saved to the server and ready for your community to enjoy. If you run into any issues, like the upload button being grayed out or an error appearing, double-check that you're on the right server and that you have permission to manage server content. Also, make sure your image is a standard format and not unusually large. Keeping files reasonably sized helps them process faster. You can repeat these same steps anytime you want to add more stickers. If you ever want to tidy up or adjust names and descriptions later, just return to the stickers page in server settings to manage what you've added. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to create stickers for your Discord server quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and have fun customizing your community.